Hello, this is the video of the Renaissance team. My name is Paola Avila. What the generally accept accounting principles? The generally accepted accounting principles are also known as GAAP. GAAP are the accounting guides that refer to the patrimonial measurement and the information of related the patrimonial and economic elements of an entity, the parameters for the elaboration of financial statements accordingly to the uniform methods of accounting technique are settled by the GAAP. Quote, the accounting principles are defined by Eric Hoeller in this book. A dictionary of accounts as an accounting associated doctrine to the explaining of the current and activities. It as a guide on the selection of conventions and procedures.
Good morning, my name is Taleca Martin Teijas. Origins of the GAAP. GAAP origins date back to 1929 crash of the stock market values, known as the Great Depression, because of the crash levels in the US economy were unusually low. The Security and Exchange Commission was created by the US government with the objective of regulate the financial practices. This commission requests support and advice from the private sector, and near 1939 was created Accounting Procedures Committee. In this way, that's how the American Institute of Short-Term Count was created for a group of counts who originally established the GAAP as rules or guidelines to be followed for all the counts.
Hello, I am Daimar Neira and I am going to explain the GAAP. Number 1. Equity. 2. Double entry. 3. Entity. 4. Economic goods. 5. Common denominator currency. 6. Company in progress. 7. Valuation at cost. 8. Period. 9. Earn. 10. Objectivity. 11. Realization. 12. Prudence. 13. Uniformity. 14. Significance or importance. 15. Exposure. Except double entry, the above listed GAAP were subscribed in the 7th Inter-American Accounting Conference.
Features of GAAP. GAAP have general rules which are adopted as guidelines by the accountant within those prevailing and favorable. Due to this, it's allowed to say that some these characteristics are 1. GAAP are practical and reasonable in its application. 2. They produce comparable results between periods and the company. 3. They attest to the generally accepted results that, in general, sustain the accounting principles. 4. They produce equitable and understandable results. 5. Could be applied under variable situations.
Generally accepted accounting principles are 14. 1. Equity. It must be reflected between opposite interests in every financial statement in reference to the proportionality and impartiality of the account in information to assure a fair analysis between the parts. 2. Valuation at cost. The basic criteria for the valuation will be the value of acquisition or production and not the market value. 3. Earned accounting events and transactions must be registered in accountants' certain dates.
Hello, my name is Valeria Vanegas. 4. Realization the economy result will only be computed when they are realized. 5. Objectivity. In the accounting record must be reflected emitting it the patrimony. 6. Prudence. If there are two values to choose, the lower must be chosen. 7. Materiality. Always acting a practical when accounting matters. Uniformity. The chosen principle must be kept and author is the approved circumstances searching leader. 9. Exposure. The financial estimates must be formed in a under the table with way for the user. 10. Entity. The company sentence separates of the person. The owner is considered a party. The entity as its owner.
My name is Genesis Colinas. Economicals, the good material in medical get the susceptible blind, honey, fines, managing check, sin. A concurrency act, the Hasimas be Furies dot common expression de olate me ayudan. The account currency normally marks the energy currency. Company employees every money could organize dejas voleri in the present and produces alca nuveri in the affection. In the uniform periods of change, we rodai the Packers LV Company. You find you the CNT and chain of GAP given approved by the Foundation of Conscience and Public Accounts de Venezuela.